Hello and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to unbox single dose grinder from Fiorenzato. I'm going to big shout out to Danny from Espresso Parlor sending me this grinder to check it out. Okay, let's get going, guys. Build qualities are fantastic. Fiorenzato have been around for about 80 years. So they're time tested, it's been proven. But this is their first attempt to come up with a grinder that's single dose, okay? Especially filter only grinder. So this is filter only grinder. Obviously they have an all ground grinder for espresso and filter. But again, this is a filter focused grinder that come up with a burst that, really performs well with the filter setting. So I cannot wait to try coming weeks. Before I'm gonna start brewing some coffee, I need to do some seasoning. Seasoning means I have to go through about 5 to 7 pounds of coffee beans. Brand new burrs has a really sharp edge, so you need to take care of that first. If not, you're not gonna get a consistent brew. As you can see, I have some, I got some grinders behind me. So I'm planning on doing some comparison videos as well. So if you haven't subscribed my channel, make sure to do so. I'm planning on doing in a live session. So you guys are going to see all the good and all the bad comes to Fiorenzato single dose grinder. So it should be a lot of fun. Okay, it should be a lot of fun. I cannot wait. I cannot wait to try with coffee with single dose grinder from Fiorenzato. Okay, guys, I'm gonna see you guys next time.